𝗓𝗂𝗃 𝗂𝗶𝗊𝗏. 𝗓𝗂𝗃's 𝗂𝗶𝗊-1 is the ideal tool for removing cable insulation with reliability and ease. It is designed to handle a variety of applications with a diameter range of 4.5 mm to 29 mm, making it suitable for both hard and soft cable insulation types. The 𝗂𝗶-1 features a specially ground-hardened steel blade that cleanly removes the outer casing while allowing for round, longitudinal, and spiral cuts. Additionally, the device is designed to prevent tilting during axial pulling, ensuring precision and accuracy during use. The 𝗂𝗶-1's cutting depth is adjustable in 0.1 mm to 3 mm increments, providing customization to meet specific needs. The device also includes a unique sliding contact surface that allows for resistance-free work on cables without damaging underlying layers. Thanks to its compact, ergonomic design, the 𝗂𝗶i-1 is easy to use and carry, making it a valuable addition to any electrician's toolkit. 𝗓𝗲𝗃 Remote Cable Cutter. The 𝗓𝗲𝗃 Remote Cable Cutter is a game-changer for electricians working with cables. With its remote control capability, the cutter can be used in either handheld or remote configuration, making it a versatile tool for any job. The tool is equipped with end-position blade recognition and has a soft metal cutting edge, making it suitable for cutting a wide range of cable insulation types. The 105mm Gator Guillotine Remote Cable Cutter comes with a rigging harness, 120-volt Makita charger, and two 4.0 amp-hour batteries, all packaged in a hard metal case. The pistol configuration handle and hardened steel jaw make it easy to use and durable, ensuring that it will be a reliable tool for years to come. To make a tool even more useful, 𝗓𝗲𝗃 has developed the 𝗓𝗲𝗃 Link mobile platform, which interfaces with 𝗓𝗃𝗃 tools equipped with Bluetooth technology. The app provides real-time data on your phone or tablet, allowing electricians to work faster and smarter. With its combination of remote control capability, durable design, and Bluetooth technology, the 𝗓𝗃𝗃 Remote Cable Cutter is a must-have tool for any electrician. 𝗂𝗚𝗃. Introducing 𝗂𝗚𝗃 Plus HD, an innovative solution for sealing cables and pipes in a single duct. The advanced duct sealing system utilizes MD Plus sealant that forms a sturdy, flexible bond when cured. The hexagonal tube support structure simplifies cable positioning and separation, providing a sturdy base for MD Plus application. 𝗂𝗚𝗃 Plus HD can conform to any duct shape or opening, exhibiting strong gas and water tightness and excellent adhesion to common building types. It is a non-toxic, non-corrosive, solvent-free, and shock-absorbing compound, ideal for electrical projects. Installation of 𝗂𝗚𝗃 Plus HD is quick and straightforward, making it suitable for retrofits and renovations. It has over 25 years of operational experience, providing a reliable and durable solution to seal cables and pipes. 𝗏𝗏 Hand Crimp Tool. 𝗏𝗏 Hand Crimp Tool is a must-have tool for any electrician's toolkit. It is a versatile tool that can be used for crimping various types of contacts, including solid, stamped and formed, and quick connect contacts. With its crimp-style termination, it eliminates the need for solder, making the process of wire termination much easier and quicker. 𝗏𝗏 Hand Crimp Tool is designed with high-quality materials, including copper alloys for contacts and stainless steel for joist sockets, which provide exceptional durability, performance, corrosion, and oxidation resistance. It also features a solid raised shoulder for high tensile strength pin retention, ensuring a secure connection between wires. To use the 𝗏𝗏 Hand Crimp Tool, simply select the correct contact size and wire gauge, strip the wire to the appropriate length, and insert the stripped wire into the contact. Then squeeze the handles closed until the ratchet releases and the crimp is complete. Inspect the crimp to ensure it meets the specifications and is of high quality. 𝗟Press DV350. Introducing the 𝗟Press DV350, a 35-ton crimp head with the 𝗟Press dual system that can handle crimping of both aluminum and copper up to 1,000 square meters. This tool is equipped with dual crimp dies for crimping copper wires of 240 to 400 square millimeters, and a crimp die for crimping copper wires of 400 to 1,000 square millimeters. Additionally, it comes with a matrix and punch for crimping aluminum wires of 300 to 1,000 square millimeters. The 𝗬𝗏𝗏 𝗏𝗏𝗏 comes fixed on a solid foot with a handle for easy portability and usage. To operate this tool, you will need an electrically driven pump PS710, which is also available in a battery-powered version, the PS710E. This tool is ideal for anyone who needs to crimp large wires quickly and efficiently. With its powerful 35-ton crimping ability and the ability to handle various wire sizes and materials, the 𝗬𝗏𝗏 𝗏𝗏 is a tool that every electrician should have in their toolbox. 𝗓𝗏𝗏 handheld laser wire stripper. Are you tired of struggling with manual wire stripping tools? Do you want a more efficient and accurate solution? Look no further than the 𝗓𝗏𝗏 handheld laser wire stripper. This innovative tool utilizes high-precision semiconductor lasers to strip cables with unparalleled precision and accuracy. The 𝗓𝗏𝗏 handheld laser stripper is compact, lightweight, and portable, making it perfect for use at harness production tables or in the field. With its ability to handle a wide variety of cables, the 𝗓𝗏𝗏 handheld laser wire stripper is a versatile solution that can replace conventional wire stripping tools. No more struggling with wires that are too thick or too thin. The 𝗓𝗏𝗏 can handle it all. Experience the newest technology in wire stripping and improve your productivity with the 𝗓𝗏𝗏 handheld laser wire stripper. Number 7. 𝗬𝗏𝗏 Cable Connector. The 𝗬𝗏𝗏 cable connector is a game-changer in underground cable connections for medium-voltage distribution networks. Despite its seemingly simple appearance, it is a state-of-the-art product of high-tech finish engineering. Designed to transmit electricity more smoothly and safely than ever before. 𝗬𝗏𝗏 has paid attention to every detail when designing this product, from the screw design with stepless shearing to the shape and functionality of the connector. The 𝗬𝗏𝗏 team has even used robots to ensure smooth production when volumes are high. The 𝗬𝗏𝗏 cable connector has undergone multiple rounds of testing to ensure it meets international standards, and production strictly follows drawings and manufacturing standards to ensure the best quality of the designed product. Once installed, this cable connector will serve for decades underground without needing any hammering or grinding, thanks to the stepless shearing screws that always shear at the right place. The 𝗬𝗏𝗏 cable connector is an important product that plays a crucial role in society as our infrastructure increasingly relies on electricity. 𝗬𝗏 LiftUp 26-1. Introducing the 𝗬𝗏 LiftUp 26-1, a versatile and impressive magazine bit holder that is a must-have for every electrician's toolbox. With 13 double bits, including 12 in the magazine and 1 in the bit holder, this tool is designed to make your work more efficient and effective. The sophisticated detail solutions offered by the LiftUp are truly impressive. For instance, the super slim bit holder's narrow shape enables access to screws in blind holes that other thicker bit holders can't handle. Additionally, the bit magazine on the handle end pops out at the touch of a button, making the bits easy to remove. The ergonomically shaped soft finish multi-component handle is made of skin-friendly special material and features a soft zone that is easy on the hand. Its large volume and geometry guarantee top torque values, allowing for powerful screw fastening or loosening with ease. The 𝗬𝗏 LiftUp 26-1 is delivered in high-quality individual packaging, making it a perfect gift for yourself or your colleagues. Invest in this versatile tool and experience enhanced productivity and comfort in your work. 𝗂𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 16. Introducing the 𝗂𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 16 Insulation Stripper, an essential tool for any electrician. This tool has precise automatic stripping capabilities and fine adjustment, enabling it to strip a wide range of fine wires and solid round cables from 0.08 to 16 square millimeters using just one pair of pliers. The tool's semicircular metal clamps with grooves provide a good grip, while its stripping blade ensures an exact cut every time. What sets the 𝗂𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 16 apart is its patented automation that adjusts the depth of the cut. The automation's neutral point can be adjusted in fine increments to match specific operating conditions like insulation material or temperature. Additionally, the tool includes an adjustable length stop for precision work that can be repeated with accuracy each time. The 𝗂𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 16's ergonomic dual-component handle ensures comfortable operation, while its tether attach point makes it compatible with 𝗂𝗎𝗄𝗅's tethered tools accessories. The blade cassette is easily replaceable, and the tool features an inscription area for customization. 𝗂𝗶𝗵 Adjustable Cable Stripper. The 𝗂𝗶𝗵 Adjustable Cable Stripper is a durable and versatile solution for end and mid-span stripping and utility cables. It eliminates the need for traditional stripping knives, reducing the risk of injuries, and can remove various insulation materials. Its adjustable design accommodates cable diameters from 0.5 inches to 2.5 inches. The tool's design ensures optimal blade positioning for precise cuts, enabling reliable splices and unions. It is well balanced with ergonomic handles and parts that reduce effort and strain during repetitive stripping. The recessed blade enhances safety and is easily replaceable. Additionally, the blade depth and angle can be adjusted to suit various applications. The 𝗂𝗶𝗵 Adjustable Cable Stripper can work with distribution overhead and underground cables, tree wire, and spacer cables, and it can handle cable voltages ranging from 600 volts to 35 kilovolts. The tool includes an optional depth gauge for precise cuts during mid-span applications. Get the job done safely and efficiently with the 𝗂𝗶𝗵 tool. 𝗓𝗏 Outer Sheath Opener. The 𝗓𝗏 Outer Sheath Opener, or OGA, is an essential tool for any electrician working with cables. With its ability to make a longitudinal cut on the outer sheath of cables, specifically 3-core cables, this tool simplifies the process of removing the outer sheath. The OGA has a diameter range of 20 to 200 millimeters and a depth of cut of 5 millimeters, making it suitable for use on a wide range of cables. One of the standout features of the OGA is its heavy-duty construction, ensuring that it can withstand the demands of regular use. The blade has 2 cutting edges, doubling its working life, and there are 4 cutting thickness positions available. This tool provides a safe and precise way to remove the outer sheath without causing damage to the cable, and it is a must-have for any electrician's toolkit. Choose the 𝗓𝗏 Outer Sheath Opener for a reliable, efficient, and durable tool that will make cable work easier and more efficient. 𝗬𝗂𝗃 Cable Stripping Tool. The 𝗬𝗂𝗃 Cable Stripping Tool, also known as the YJ25 Stripping Tool, is designed to make removing the outer jacket layer of cables a breeze. The tool comes equipped with a micro-adjustment dial that allows you to set the blade depth to your desired position. Once the blade depth is set, making a lateral strip is the next step. Position the tool so that the blade is hooked onto the end of the cable and use small ratcheting movements to move the tool down the cable while maintaining pressure. Finally, making a concentric strip is easy. Rotate the tool 90 degrees and use small ratcheting movements to complete the strip while ensuring the tool remains hooked onto the insulation. Changing the blade is a simple process. Advance the micro-adjustment dial clockwise until the blade holder is removable. Carefully remove the blade from the blade holder, flip it 180 degrees, and reinsert it into the holder. Place the blade holder back into the tool and retract until you've reached your desired blade depth. For larger cables with tougher insulation, the YJ45, also known as the Mega Wheel, is a great option. If you liked the video, check out this video. Few people have ever seen these anti-flood inventions.